Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how you can cut your video on the CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your CapCut app from your Android device. So once you open your CapCut app, you will be led to its home screen where you need to select a video you want to edit. So once you select the video, all you need to do is scan through a video about how long you want to cut it in, then simply tap on the video. So once you tap on the video, you can simply go to the place you want to cut and press on the split option. So once you have pressed on the split option, your video has been cut down into 2 parts. So now you can extend your video or either cut it into more parts as per your wish. So this is how you cut your video on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.